Hi, it's Pekka from Bullet and welcome to maintain my Stihl MS200 chainsaw. This is my chainsaw, basic chainsaw for the first thinning and thinning and that kind of stuff. It has at the moment about 10 years of lifespan, and I did notice last winter that it's not any more efficient as it used to be. So it has, I think, about 25% of the power has been lost. So I was thinking maybe it's just too old or it does need some maintenance. So let's see if we can gain some power back. First I will cut some slices from the birch to see how much there is power at the moment. Then I will do some maintenance, and at the end I will cut again slices from the birch to see if we did get some power back. So let's get started. I used to maintain my MS200 just this basic tool which came with the chainsaw. So you don't need any fancy tools or any fancy occasions to do this maintenance. First we just take away all the covers. I did actually once lose this orange part to the forest. This is the second one. And so it's pretty simple. Pick components away, like side covers and all of those components. So it's just open the bolts and place the bolts to some cover, and for some reason still have huge amount of different bolts in MS200, like 5 or 6 different types. To take muffler, that was like one of the main reasons to open this. So I did just open these bolts under the MS200, and then so it's 5 bolts you have to open, I think, to get that muffler away. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and finally we can have this muffler out. So the MS200 is now in smaller pieces. Next I will take some wood, and then I will take these components and I will clean all of these. Of course you can, if you have a dishwasher and you want to make your family happy, you can take this inside and use dishwasher, or if you have pressurized air you can use that. So the method is free. The most important thing is that don't use this anything metal, because you will just scratch all of these, and when it scratches it will get so much easier dirty. And I see there is no idea of taking this chainsaw to smaller pieces at this point, because I already can clean up everything what is like important for the power, and the chainsaw will be happy. So now it just will be cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. I use at the end this kind of paper towel or tissue, how you want to call it, to clean it up. You don't have to shine actually. This is at the moment already in the correct level. So there is still some dirt over here, but it's not anymore so dirty. So there was huge amount of this stuff inside. Because, okay, it's good, it's clean, but it doesn't actually increase any power, because the power over here comes that it gets clean air from here in the air filter. It has to get it easily. Then over here we have carburetor. It has to get correct amount of the fuel over here. Then over here we actually have the engine. So there is a piston. It goes down. Then comes the air and the fuel in. It goes up. It gets compressed. And of course if those are leaking, then it don't actually like get compression and we don't have power. Then over here we have spark plug, and okay, it also has to work, and then it goes over here, and all the air and exhaust fumes has to get out from here, from the exhaust system. So these are the components that actually create the power. If something isn't working, we are losing power. So now, after I have cleaned, I will actually assemble this. Then I will take the air filter, I clean also that, and then I will actually start the engine and tune the carburetor, and then we are done. It's okay. At the moment we are leaving next morning, because I was, after the carburetor I was cleaning, I was actually cooking over there with that fire. So now we are leaving at the morning. Yeah, let's continue. So now we have all the components. It looks like a chainsaw, and I don't have any extra bolts, and I'm not missing any bolts, so we are in pretty good shape. Next, what we will do, we will actually take the air cleaner off, because I think with the exhaust system, and these are the reasons why it's so dirty. I will next go and just use like clean this like a dish. Then I think we are actually in way better shape. So let's go to clean this one. Oh. Now the chainsaw starts to look like correct one. So next I will start it up and drive it to the warm before I will tune it. Final pitch. So now we have results. I think you did actually see in already in the video, but I did also walk to our cabin and check the times. So this same chainsaw before maintenance it was little over 2 minutes, and now after maintenance it was 1 minute 30 seconds. So roughly 25% away from the time. So that is remarkable result. No wonders if it's better or worse. I did actually sharpen this chain before the first run. And then I didn't resharpen that again before second run, because I think it was kind of fair, because it was like a little thicker part of the wood the first round, the same wood, and it's actually next day. And then like, because it's a little smaller part already, but not sharpening, it should be the same. So I think we can be happy with the result. So it's that simple. What you should do if you don't want to open everything, like of course like the exhaust system, it usually goes like, it might be the main reason for the first bad result, and the other one is air cleaner. So if you just want to do something now, easy, take the air cleaner, brush it clean, and then tune it. Just like start the engine, drive it warm, and then like first with the low, that it's just like it don't move, and then in the high. The idea is that you look for the highest RPM, and then come little back. That is important, because if you don't do that little back, it will heat up the piston and you will destroy your chainsaw eventually. So little back, and then you are in the safe side. Yeah. Hey, I hope you did like the video, and I hope that we will see in next video. So if you did like the video and want to see more of these kind of videos, please press subscribe from the Rockbullets YouTube channel, and then of course give the thumb up. Hey, thanks, and see you next video.